Hello everyone, welcome to FameWord Educational Hub. Myself, Ashura Saxena. So I hope you are a subscriber of this channel, and if you are not, then please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell for the latest uploads. If you have not yet checked the playlist section, please go towards the playlist section. So there are numerous courses waiting for you. I'm just coming back towards my ITLE, and today we are going to see the while loop here. So if you are going to work with the while loop, it's really very easy, just like for, as you have seen the for loop and for we have done in the previous lectures. I hope you have watched the previous lectures of the series. So here I'm just going to work with the while loop. I'm going to demonstrate that how to use while loop. It is also iterative statement. Do while is not present in Python. In C, C++, Java, C Sharp, everywhere do while loop is present. JavaScript, everywhere it's present. But in the case of Python, do while loop is not present. Only for and while loops are here. So after this, we will start with array. Okay, so here I am just going to use this ideally only. From the next lecture, from the array concept, I am going to start with PyCharm. So first of all, I'm just going to demonstrate the while loop here. So it's really simple and it's a bit similar to the different languages also. Suppose I'm just going to take a program, write a program to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so simple one I'm taking just to explain this first of all. So suppose you just have to print 1 to 10 number, I equals to 1, that is the initialization, the initial value, I equals to 1. Then while I less than equals to 10, just print I. Here you cannot take I plus plus like this. So you just have to take I equals to I plus 1. That is not supported. If you will take increment operator, that increment operator is not so far supported in Python. So here you just have to take I equals to I plus 1. So you can see this while loop program. It's really very similar and simple, similar to the previous languages which you have done, and it's really very simple also. So I'm just going to tell one more program in this particular video only. So just see some more related things with the while loop as we have done in the for. So suppose I'm taking here 20 for 10 numbers in reverse order, like let me just write the question here, that is write a program to print 10 numbers in reverse order with a difference of 2. So suppose I equals to 20. Suppose I am going to start with 20, 18, 16, 14. I equals to 20 while I greater than equals to 0 I am taking, or 0 or equal, I am taking greater than 0. So I will just print I, and then I will just say I equals to I plus 1. Okay, now I have to take I minus 2 here. So I'm just going to run it. And this you can see that 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, the values are coming in the very proper order as we have taken in the question. So here you can see that everything is very properly. Now I'm just going to show you one more program here only in the same video, in the same file even. You can see the programs are really very small. Write a program to print 10 to 1 numbers like we have seen in the for loop. So I'm just going to do that only with the help of while this time. I'm really sorry for the disturbance which is coming from my side. There's some okay, I'm really sorry for that. I equals to 1, I equals to 10 I'm taking while I greater than 0. Then we will just print I, and then I equals to I minus 1. So you can see that 10 numbers are here. Let's take the bifurcation also, so it will be looking better. Print, and I'm just taking this line so it will be bifurcated. So let's close this one, this shell, and the next video, stay tuned. Actually in the next video we will just see the PyCharm, and we will start working with PyCharm. This series is going to be very interesting because the machine learning content will also be included, and I'm just planning to upload the data science also here. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends. and you can just join the WhatsApp group. The link is in the description. The notes are also available on different courses. For that, you can just check the community section. There I'm just showing you this. The community section you can check. There also I post, and then the playlist I will also post the links. You can see that different courses notes are available here, so you can just check them out, and according to your convenience you can download them simply. So the notes of different courses are also available from the Framework Educational Hub site for you. Anyways, so here I'm just going to show you one more program, and then we will print some random values. Like I'm just going to use this while loop here, and I'm just going to take I equals to 89, and suppose I just want to take I greater than, okay, I less than equals to 78, oh sorry, 90, and this I'm just taking 34. Okay, and simply whatever you want to do you can just do with the help of for or while loop. Do while is not present, don't forget, do while is not present in Python. Okay, so I'm just going to print I, and the condition, suppose I'm taking I equals to I plus 4, and I'm just going to run this. So you can see, okay, so from 34 till 90 you can see as I've taken equal to 90, and the things were covering there. So after 86 you can see the difference of 4 is there. So every value is coming with the difference of 4 here. So you can see that it's really very easy to work in Python with the loops, like for loop and while loop we have covered now. I hope this video was beneficial to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next lecture.